Financial freedom. Sounds pretty great, right? It's more than just having a big bank account, it means having choices. You control your money instead of it controlling you. Financial literacy is the key to unlocking this freedom. It's simply understanding how money works. Budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt are all part of it. When you're financially literate, you make smarter choices. You're not living paycheck to paycheck, stressed about bills. Instead, you're planning for the future, paying to bring in your dreams. Financial freedom means different things to different people, but one thing's for sure, it's a whole lot easier to achieve when you know what you're doing. Now, how does financial literacy actually lead to financial freedom? Let's break it down. Imagine you're building a house. Financial literacy is like having the blueprints. You wouldn't start building without them, right? Budgeting becomes your foundation. You track your income and expenses, ensuring you're not spending more than you earn. Saving becomes your safety net. You build an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses, preventing debt. Saving becomes your wealth builder. You put your money to work, growing it over time to reach your long-term goals. With each step, you're taking control of your finances, building a solid path toward financial freedom. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless stories of everyday people who transformed their lives through financial literacy. Take Sarah, for example. She was drowning in credit card debt, living paycheck to paycheck. But then she learned about budgeting and the debt snowball method. She started tracking her spending, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and tackled her debts, smallest to largest. Or consider John, who started investing in his 20s with just a small amount of money each month. He learned about compound interest and stayed consistent with his money. Now he's on track to retire early and pursue his passions. These stories prove that financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy or lucky. It's attainable for anyone willing to learn and take action. Ready to take charge of your financial future? It all starts with taking that first step. Start by educating yourself. There are tons of free resources available online, in libraries, and even through workshops. Check out books, podcasts, or online courses to boost your financial knowledge. Create a budget and stick to it. Track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and set realistic financial goals. Start saving early and consistently, even if it's just a small amount. Take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It requires effort, discipline, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are well worth it. Learn more about your financial education today, talk to Autumn, and unlock a future of possibilities.